A viral photograph showing an Israeli soldier striking a statue of Jesus Christ with a sledgehammer in southern Lebanon has sparked widespread outrage across social media and among political figures. The image, viewed more than 5 million times on X, appears to show a soldier hitting the head of a crucified Jesus statue that had fallen from a cross. The statue was reportedly located on the outskirts of the village of Dibble in southern Lebanon near the border with Israel. The Israeli military confirmed the authenticity of the image on Monday. It said that following an initial review, the photograph was found to depict an Israeli soldier operating in southern Lebanon, where Israel recently launched a ground invasion alongside aerial bombardment during its joint war with the United States on Iran. The army said it views the incident with great severity, adding that the soldier's conduct is wholly inconsistent with the values expected of its troops. It confirmed that an investigation has been opened and the matter is being addressed through the chain of command with appropriate measures to be taken based on the findings. The incident is also being reviewed by the Northern Command. The photograph triggered strong reactions from social media users, activists, academics, and writers who condemned the desecration of a religious symbol. Many also criticized what they described as Western silence over attacks on religious sites and symbols by Israeli soldiers and settlers. Palestinian lawmakers and the Israeli parliament also responded. Ayman Odeh, a Palestinian member of parliament, said sarcastically that they would wait to hear a police spokesperson claim the soldier threatened by Jesus. Another Knesset member, Ahmed Tibi, said on social media that those who have blown up mosques and churches in Gaza and spat on Christian clergy in Jerusalem without punishment are not hesitant to destroy a statue of Jesus Christ and publish it online. He also questioned whether racists had been influenced by controversial public figures, referring to recent political controversies involving US President Donald Trump, including an AI-generated image portraying him as a Jesus-like figure and his dispute with the head of the Roman Catholic Church. Separately, the Religious Freedom Data Center documented at least 201 incidents of violence against Christians between January 2024 and September 2025.